Asus Vivobook 14. Vivobook 14 has a lid with a special raised logo tag, and it's available in your choice of 6 eye-catching colors: charming quiet blue, cool silver, terracotta, gardenia white, vanilla basil, berry pink. Just pick your favorite. It's slim enough to pop unobtrusively into any backpack, and light enough for easy one-handed carrying. Processor: 13th Gen, Intel Core i3-1315U processor, 1.2 GHz, 10 MB cache, up to 4.5 GHz turbo boost, 6 cores, 8 threads. Memory: 8 GB DDR4 on-board RAM, expandable up to 24 GB using 1x DDR4 SO DIMM slot. Storage: 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Graphics: Intel UHD graphics. Vivobook 14 delivers beautifully clear visuals with its 3-sided slim bezel nano edge display. The wide viewing angles maintain great quality even for off-center viewing, and the TÜV Rheinland eye care certification ensures low blue light levels that reduce the risk of eye strain during long viewing sessions. Vivobook 14 keeps you fully connected with its comprehensive I/O ports. There are 1 USB 3.2 Type circa Gen 1 port, 2 USB 3.2 Type A Gen 1 ports, a USB 2.0 port, HDMI output and an audio combo jack, so it's easy to connect all your existing peripherals, displays and projectors. Full-sized keyboard 19.05mm. The full-size 19.05mm key pitch is the same as a desktop keyboard, so you can whiz through your work with superb typing comfort and accuracy. Asus Number Pad 2.0. Vivobook 14 is equipped with Asus Number Pad 2.05, which makes everything much easier when it's time to crunch numbers. Simply tap the touchpad icon to enable number input. Physical webcam privacy shield.